All right, we just got 360 off of it. Should be coming up to get us right here, giving us $1,000. Let's see where $1,000 would be. That's 1,300. So we should be able to make it back down there. We're gonna cancel this and leave it where it is. We're just gonna be patient for the run up. We are $15 away from where we should be to get us into the trade. Once we hit that blue line, it's probably gonna wick it out a little bit, but it should get us in there very smoothly and then give us $1,000. I'll be back while we wait. I want to go 2 contracts, but I'm not 100% confident in the pullback once we get up here, because this could be the point where we break out. So we're just going to stick to the 1 contract. Put that market there, and 50 ticks. We're being patient. You know, be patient. Let it come to you. This right here is $2,000. This right here is 3. This is 4. We're going to go to $4,000 and modify. We're going to click market. And we are going to be patient. You wait for it to come to you, you're going to get a much larger play than if you go to it. Every time. It's honestly, it's not that annoying because the market is moving so fast, you know, and it doesn't matter when it hits your entry point. As long as it hits your entry point. If you get in the middle here, you're going to get chopped up. You're going to lose $200, $500, $600, $700 off of this right here, this up and down, up and down, up and down. If you just wait for it to get to you, you're going to get yourself a much better play. You know, so a little bit of patience goes such a long way. Like, look at it going to me slow. For sure, it's coming to me to get me into the trade. It's like, hey, I see you waiting there. I'm coming. Don't worry. Bus is on the way. Get us into the trade right here on the next tick. Booyah. Okay, and you can see the resistance is right there, right? So instantly we start up 260, right? Then we're gonna go right here to 380, $400, $500. Come back to 500 for us. It wicked it out. It didn't give it to us. We're gonna lock in the 500 that time. But you see, just waiting on your trade, it will come to you. You get into the trade. You get a much faster move, and instantly you start with money. I'm going and waiting at these resistance areas and letting it come to me. And then it activates my trade and I instantly take money. Now, I know that we're in an uptrend now, so if I was trying to catch the uptrend, I would have caught it from this one, but unfortunately, I wasn't there to catch it from this one. Now we're in the breakout. Now I'll look for what's the next line? What's the next area that we're looking for as resistance? It's way up here. I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to wait to see what happens right here because we should be going back down towards this 17,100 right here, right? So if we come back through the blue line here, then I'll take the trade to the downside. Let's say I take 1 contract right now. Dangerous area, but I'm going to take 1 contract right now, risking $300. I took it a little later than I wanted to, so I'm going to have to take profit sooner. But this is just an example for you guys. Got in. I should have got in immediately at the blue line, but I got in a little bit later. But this is just an example for you guys. We're going to lock some profit once we get past 100. So we're going to spam click here for the time being. There we are, 230, 295. So even though we got in late, we're getting profit. So we're good here. 285. We should be going for $500. Locking in right there. But that's just an example to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys me taking one live as well as, you know, how my thought process going into it. When I get to this blue line, this is resistance. We shouldn't be going all the way up here. We should be coming back down to the support line first. After a while of being in this range, then we'll break out and go for that. But that's a large distance to cover, which eventually we will. Once we hit the 496.50-ish area, we'll go up to 497. But we were all the way down at 485, 482 earlier today. So just be on the lookout for the fact that we have more room to the downside than the upside currently. You know, we got $9 to the upside. We have about $13 to the downside. So you're currently firmly in the middle if you're taking trades right here. And that's why I'm only taking trades off of my blue lines. But I hope you guys are starting to kind of understand how the system works for me and how I allow it to come to me. But notice that when I chased, I started out negative. When I waited, I started out with money. But you guys get it, right? You guys have a great day. Happy hunting out here. And as always, take the easy money. This has been your boy Sebastian. This is another full transparency trading session. Just made ourselves a couple $1,000s, and I'm out.